Hello, how are you? I'm going to look on computer studies word processor paper 2, which was done in the year 2022, but it was supposed to be done in the year 2021. Open a word processor program and type the following passage as it appears, and then you save the document as G1S1. So you are supposed to type the text like this one. So you'll type together. We launch our word processor, blank document, and then we check it is purpose of geographical information system. So you type this part first. You know, this one is just numbering. This is for letters. This one is okay. As you can see here, this one is supposed to be bolded and underlined. So I'm supposed to bold this one, then I underline. Then we want to insert this table. As you can see, it has how many columns? Let us count. 1, 2, 3 columns. And how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows, 3 columns. So here in this case, I just insert a table. Insert here a table. I want it to be visible in your side. So here insert a table with 3 rows, 4 columns, like that one. And then ABC. This one will be A, B, and then C. And then I'll merge the top part first. I'll just right click merge, and then I type the text here. Question Agis can answer. Question Agis can answer. Question Agis can answer. After doing that, I'll just underline this part. Just center. Then this one, now I insert a font color, a fill color. Sorry, just want to insert here a fill color. Just to make it black. Question Agis can answer. And then we begin with the location. What is that given location? Just I type this table, there it is. So after typing like that your table, this one is a gray color, this one is gray, this one is white, as you can see. So this one I placed here to be a gray color. So I just come here, choose a gray color, this one. And then this one again, I'll be choosing a gray color. Very simple, like that. As you can see, it appears exactly the way it is. And then we need to type this part again. A location may be described. So you insert here a bullet, and then under this bullet you have another bullet here. So how do we do that? So insert here, not home, and then you define a bullet, this one, and then under this bullet we define a new bullet, which is a rounded one, like that. As you can see, now we type this one. And forested section measured in, and forested section measured in square unit of area. Having typed like that, you're supposed to insert a bullet like this here, with soil suitable for supporting buildings. So here insert your home, insert your bullet the way it has appearing here, this one. And then we type here, with soil suitable for supporting building, with soil suitable to type this part of the text, then insert this table where it begins trend seek to find. So we can continue. So we're supposed to insert these shapes. We have how many rectangles? 1 2 3 4 rectangles with these arrows. This one is the most important thing. So usually you just use the grid lines, as you can see, and then you can insert shapes for it to be arranged properly. So insert this first shape, data input. So insert shape, this one is the first rectangle. Insert here at the center. As you can see, it is at the center. So it is at the center. Shape, rectangle, here, insert here. Then I type here data input, and then fill, no fill. Yes, no fill. And then color, I choose black. Here is data, sorry, all of this one should be black, should be data input. As you can see, that is the first shape, and then second shape is database. So I insert a second rectangle. Is a bit bigger, like this one, and then this one, fill, no fill, should be having an outline. This is black, and then color should be black. Here is database, no problem. You highlight all of it, let's get to be a black color, like that one. And then in this database, it should be having query and analysis, and output and visualization. Insert another shape here, can place it here, and then the fill, no fill, outline to be black, and then color to be black. Then we type query and analysis. Query and analysis. Query and analysis. Query and analysis. No problem. You can insert inside your text box. This one, and then I reduce. Once you have a problem like that, you can insert inside your what you wanted here, and then I copy this one. I can move it like that one, and then shape outline, just place it to be black, like that one. And then an outline. So format outline is just place now, so that one, the other one can be visible. Query and analysis. Okay, and then another shape. Another shape, or you can also use the text box, no problem. So long as it will be having an outline, it is called what? Output and visualization. Output and visualization. Output and visualization. Outline format. Outline, I want it to be black. Can increase the weight to be 1 so that it will be visible. And then what else? Outline to be black in color, like that one. Even this one I can decide to remove this shape because I don't like it right now. You can use the text box, then you do your analysis, no problem. So outline, I just want outline weight, I will be increasing to be 1, then outline to be black in color. Now insert a shape, the one with arrows above and below. Just choose. Let us check, it is looking like this one, so I select that one. That one I want exactly like this one, as you can see here. This one like that one. Fill, no fill, and then color, make it black. Color to be black in color. Yes, we copy this one, we paste it here. So this one, copy this one, then I bring it here again, like that one. Having done that, we can read the question now. Create a copy of the passage into a blank document and save it to be GIS2. This one is supposed to save it GIS1, so it is very simple. Let me remove the grid lines first. Okay, so this one I'm supposed to save it first. I just save in the desktop. GIS1, capital G, GIS1, desktop, like that one. Then I highlight all of them, Control A, Control C, Control N to a new blank menu V. You just copy the same the way it is, and then you are being told to do what? After copying, perform each of the following on the document, the one that you have created. Format the passage title as follows: font size to be 20. So this one I make it to be size 20, like that one. Then apply an outline effect. Outline. Apply an outline effect. Done that. an outline effect, and then apply a two-line drop cap to the first two characters of the first. Apply a two-line drop cap to the first two characters of the first paragraph. First this one, and then insert drop cap, and then it is a two-line. Drop cap supposed to be 2 lines. Okay, and then apply an indent format to the numbered and bullet list of size 3 centimeters from left and 1.5 from right. So this one, it is here, line spacing option, then indents. Indent, you are being told to do what? Apply an indent format of numbered and bullet of size 3 centimeters from the left. 3 centimeters from the left, so here I set it to be 3, and 1.5 from the right. 1.5 from the right, like that. So just press OK, and then this one again, because you are being told for the numbered and bullet list. The same applies to this one. This is bullet list and spacing options, and then you come here to indentation. Left is 3 centimeters, right is 1.5. This one is not necessary. And then I press OK. So long as you have done the right thing, is no problem. This one again, I'm supposed to change something. The type of indentation should be none, so that it will be okay. So we can continue now with the question. We are being told to do it again. Apply each of the following to the bullet: line spacing 1.5 and justified alignment. Line spacing 1.5. So this one, line spacing options 1.5, and then alignment justified. So this one is center right, and then this one is justified one. So I left click there. This one. Okay, we can continue now. Apply two column layout with line between the first column, and apply two line columns layout with the line between the first column, and should contain the information between the table structure and the subheading functional components. The second column should contain the rest of the information from the functional components of GIS. So you read the question again. Apply a two column layout between the first column should contain the information between the table structure and subheading functional components. Table structure, functional components. So you're supposed to look for that first. Table structure, this one. So in this case, you highlight all of the text, like this one, from here to here. Then you press to the, you come to layout. They want you to be having 2 columns, so more columns. Then you press to the 2 columns. This one make it 0.5. But not instructed in the question. You have to be 9, and then 9 in between. Then okay, like that one. Then you read the question. Convert the table structure to text separated by table. The table, this one. So I highlighted the table first. Just select the table, and then insert table. Then you come here to convert to text, and then separated by. No, not converting this table only. And then table. Convert text to table, and then you're supposed to separate by, convert the structure to text separated by tab characters. So you separate by tabs, then you press OK, like that one. Sorry, this table, convert, insert table, come here to convert text, and then separate text at tabs, and then simply this one is having 3 columns, then okay, no. So insert table, convert to text, number of columns to be 1, and then out of it to contents, then tabs, then okay, like that one. And then you read the question again. Apply the reflex structure to the structure of the chart. Group all the objects, shadow effect, the grouped object, automatically number caption, text, component just 2. So you are supposed to group this one, so I already grouped, but I can show you. I like this one and this other one, this one, all of this one. Just hold the control, select these shapes, and then right click. Sorry. And then you right click. Just see this option of group and ungrouping. And then shadow effect the grouped object. So shape format. Effect, shadow effect, supposed to shadow effect the grouped object, and then automatically number caption with text components. So this one, insert, right click, insert caption. We're being told to do what? Components of GIS. Components of GIS. Components of GIS, like that one. You can repeat again. Components of GIS. supposed to insert, and then number, and then components of GIS. GIS, like that one. Then you're also being told to do what? Enter your name and index number at the page footer aligned to the right. So name here, footer, just name maybe Mr. Limo, index 001, and then she'll be aligned to the right. So let the alignment to be right, and then apply a page border line of with 3 page border. So page border is in design, page border. So I come here, then design, page border, align, then 3 ppt. I'm being told to be 3, then okay, like that one. Apply an automatic uppercase Roman numbering at the case Roman page numbering at the top of every page. So insert page number, that is, they are talking about page number. So it is not bottom, it is top, and it is top where? At the top center. So insert page number, top, and then center. Then you're supposed to format this page number to be Roman numbers, which is capitalized. So I choose the Roman number, and okay, like that one. And then done. Save the changes and print out later. So this one I'm supposed to save GIS2, and then I usually save my work in desktop. Save. Thank you for being my audience. You can subscribe, you can share, you can comment. Good day.